Hi, this is Dr. Rajeev Pullagura. I'm a general and laparoscopic surgeon at Manipal Hospital Jayanagar. My main field of interest and expertise is general and laparoscopic surgery involving lumps and bumps surgeries, any swellings over the bodies that can be addressed with surgical expertise, along with that thyroid surgeries, breast surgeries, abdominal wall surgeries like hernias and lipomas. Along with that, I do laparoscopic surgeries such as gallbladder surgeries, appendix surgeries, and advanced laparoscopic surgeries with respect to colonic and gastric surgeries. Lower limb surgeries mainly involve varicose veins and any sort of foot infection treatments, especially for diabetic foots. These are the areas which we expertise in. If you have any concerns, you can always drop into Manipal Hospital Jayanagar. Thank you.